Welcome, aspiring Python programmers. I'm Ali. Loops are a powerful tool in programming, allowing you to repeat tasks and process data efficiently. In this video, we'll explore various types of loops in Python, including while and for loops, and how to use them effectively. Let's start with the while loop. The while loop allows your program to repeatedly execute a block of code as long as a condition is true. Imagine a faucet. The while loop is like keeping the water flowing until you turn it off. Let's dive into the while loop in Python. The while loop allows you to repeatedly execute a block of code as long as a condition is true. In this example, we're counting from 0 to 4 using a while loop. Next, we have the for loop. The for loop is ideal for iterating over a sequence or collection of items. Think of a library. The for loop is like checking each book on the shelf one by one. And now let's explore the for loop in Python. In this example, we're using a for loop to iterate through a list of fruits. By iterating over the fruits collection, it prints the statement, I like fruit, for each item in the list, showcasing the simplicity and efficiency of the for loop for repetitive tasks. The for loop is also great for looping through dictionaries. You can access keys and values in dictionaries with the items method. Consider an inventory system. The for loop helps you retrieve details of each item. In this code, we're using a for loop to display item details from an inventory dictionary. It iterates over the inventory dictionary, extracting both the item name and quantity, and it prints a statement displaying each item along with its corresponding quantity. You can also use the for loop with the range function to create sequences of numbers. It's useful for iterating a specific number of times. Imagine a countdown timer. The for loop using range creates a sequence to count down from a certain number. In this example, we're using for loop with range to create a countdown timer. It counts down from 5 to 1, printing each step in the countdown, demonstrating the versatility of the for loop for numerical iterations. In Python, you have loop control statements to manage loop execution. And break allows you to exit a loop prematurely. Continue lets you skip the current iteration. And pass is a placeholder for future code. Imagine a video game. Break can end the game. Continue helps you navigate obstacles. And pass marks your progress at checkpoints. In this code, we're simulating a game level using these loop control statements. It iterates through the numbers list, showcasing break to exit the loop when encountering 4, continue to skip the iteration when encountering 3, and pass for no action when encountering 2. That's a wrap on loops in Python. Loops are the backbone of efficient and repetitive tasks in programming. We hope this video has given you the skills to harness the power of loops in your Python projects. For an in-depth explanation and practice exercises, please visit the relevant notebook on Google Colab and GitHub. The links are in the description box. See you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel.